How to cancel Weverse subscription. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application Weverse. Make sure you are using the updated version. Enter your login credential and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, at the bottom you can see tons of different options. Head over to DM. Once you are in this page, tap on this three dot at the top right corner of the screen, and then click on Manage Subscriptions at the bottom. It will land you on this page where you will be able to manage all of your subscriptions that you have taken or purchased. If you want to cancel any of the subscription, then all you want to do is click on it and then tap on Remove or Cancel. Tap on Confirm to cancel it. Once you have clicked on Confirm, your subscription will be cancelled successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.